3, 2, 1.
What do fungi use to penetrate deep into decaying matter? The answer is C. Hyphae. I'm the world's largest desert and contain a city called Baghdad. What am I? The answer is A. Sahara. Who is the Shakespearean villain who had his own brother executed and innocent children killed because they were hindrances to his kingly ambition? The answer is C. Richard Roman III. Who is the author of the book My Struggle Mein Kampf, which was banned due to anti-Nazi laws? The answer is B. Adolf Hitler. I'm old and worn, yet new knowledge I impart. What am I? The answer is B. A textbook. What fruit is used to make cider? The answer is C. Pear. I'm often red, round, and juicy. What am I? The answer is D. Tomato. Which piece of equipment is used for golf? The answer is D. Club. Which item is used to open tightly sealed containers? The answer is D. Can opener. What will air usually do when heated up beyond a certain point? The answer is C. It will ascend. Which color was considered perfect in ancient Greek art? The answer is D. White. I'm worn on your feet and have a hole for toes, but what do you not put in them? The answer is B. Shoes. Who wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey? The answer is D. Aristotle. Who do these words belong to? Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. The answer is B. Henry Ford. Which electronic component can convert AC to multiple frequencies or phase shifts? The answer is B. Oscillator. Who is the highest wicket taker in ODI cricket? The answer is B. Machias Muralitharan. What occurs between long warm climate periods? The answer is A. Ice ages. Who directed and starred in the 1993 drama movie The Man Without a Face? The answer is C. Mel Gibson. Venus rotates slowly in a direction opposite to the direction of what? The answer is A. Its orbit. Which celestial body is the farthest from Earth? The answer is D, Neptune. I can take you on an adventure without moving. What am I? The answer is C, movie. What is the largest unit of data storage in a hard disk drive? The answer is C, terabyte. What holds multiple pens and pencils together? The answer is D, pencil case. Which philosophy is associated with the idea of the survival of the fittest? The answer is D, Darwinism. Including the Melee Pokémon Stadium, how many stadiums in Super Smash Bros. Brawl are related to Pokémon? The answer is D, 3. Mixing baking soda and vinegar makes the temperature of the solution decrease and release carbon dioxide. Which conclusion about this investigation is not valid? The answer is C, new elements were formed. Who directed the movie The Shining? The answer is A, Stanley Kubrick. In order for electricity from a battery to power a light bulb, the wire has to provide the electricity a path to do what? The answer is A, flow through the entire closed circuit. Food is broken into smaller particles by mastication, a process involving action by what structures? The answer is A, teeth. What state holds the world's largest international hot air balloon festival? The answer is C, New Mexico. What instrument can you play by plucking the strings with your fingers? The answer is A, lute. I contain numerous worlds, yet I'm not a toy. What am I? The answer is A, ocean. The decrease of something required by an organism has a negative impact on that organism's what? The answer is B, being. Who plays Lily Truscott in Hannah Montana, the movie? The answer is C, Emily Osment. What is the name of Bruce Wayne's mother? The answer is B, Martha Wayne. Where was Jacqueline Kennedy born? The answer is A, Southampton, New York. Which one of these animals lives deepest in the ocean? The answer is D, a vampire squid. Which would be the result of the breeding of two wolves? The answer is B, wolf pups. Which House character said the following? Very ethical. Of course, most married men would say they don't date at all. The answer is C. Dr. House. What actor starred opposite Meg Ryan in the 1998 movie City of Angels? The answer is A. Nicolas Cage. As per the kinetic molecular theory, in what direction do the molecules and ions of liquids move? The answer is A. Random directions. What instrument produces a rich, mellow sound with large wooden keys covered in ivory or plastic? The answer is A. Accordion. What is the term for a small program that provides services on a network? The answer is C. Server. What Shakespeare historical play was being performed at the Globe Theatre in 1613 when a fire broke out from a misguided theatrical cannon shot? The answer is C. Henry Roman VIII. In a simple fraction like 2/5, how many equal parts are there in total? The answer is B. 5. Which novel features the character Atticus Finch defending a black man accused of rape? The answer is A. To Kill a Mockingbird. Who created the character Sonic the Hedgehog? The answer is A. Sega Teen. Which book is a collection of short stories by Edgar Allan Poe? The answer is A. The Scarlet Letter. Solar energy comes from the sun and does which positive thing? The answer is D. Sustains mammals. In Latin, the word for apple malum is nearly identical to a word that means which of the following?